having a wee look in here. This carpet. The windscreen has been leaking on the top. I need to lift the carpet out of the way, obviously. We have a welding job to do down here. You can see it's wet. I need to lift this rubber mat, hopefully without cutting it. It's wet all the way underneath. The new windscreen's fitted now, so that hopefully we won't have any more water coming in. So it's just a case of letting this dry off. There's water there as well. Remains of lovely. I may have to remove take the handbrake there, yeah. We can leave the handbrake in place. Bolts. We may take out one seat, take out the passenger seat, 4 bolts, move it out the way. We'll see how easily it's accessed. This rubber could do with being peeled right back. I can, if needs be, cut it, but if ever there was water spilt in future, that would let the water in. We'll see. We'll deal with that when we come to it.